All right, so the storm has kind of calmed down for a few minutes, but this is destroyed. It's gone. So is the crap that's in there. I thought I'd do a quick update. We are in the middle of the storm. It is now Saturday at almost 9 p.m. at the time of recording this anyway. And I've been out fighting it for a couple of hours. I am soaked. The canopy's destroyed. I couldn't save it. I tried. I even tried to fight it while the gusts were hitting. I couldn't record that stuff because, I mean, it was crazy. Now my fridge, freezer, everything is in here. Starlink's in here. It's just one more thing that I have to deal with. The other canopy is holding up. Well, so far this one's holding up. Half the leaves have been blown off the trees. They're all over the place. They've been plastered on the vehicles, the trailers. They're all over the ground, all over the place. The other canopy so far is holding strong. Nothing has happened to it. Knock on wood. I have a lot of cleanup I'm going to have to do. I lost half the food in the fridge too that fell out in the middle of things and busted and everything. According to the news, we haven't even hit the worst of it. It's supposed to last for at least a couple more hours. It could last longer than that. I don't know yet. I have the girls safely over there. I'm in the cargo trailer right now. I'm trying to figure out some of this stuff still, get things anchored down. Right now, the trailers are far enough from most of the trees that we shouldn't have to worry about any trees falling down on them. If they start rocking a bunch, I'll hook up the truck to give it better stability. And it'd probably be worse to try and drive in this to go anywhere else right now. We got some gusts hitting again, if you can hear that on the camera. Things hitting the trailer. And people were kind of curious if it hit. It kind of hit late. It was supposed to hit the last couple of days, and we just had mass rain, mass flooding, and mud. But the gust stuff decided to hit tonight, and now we're dealing with that. My mother and my daughter kept trying to help me. I told them there's nothing that they could do to get inside. I didn't want them to get hurt and everything. If I get hurt, that's one thing. Don't want them to get hurt. Definitely going to have some cleanup to do. I don't know if I'll upload this video tonight or not. I know a lot of people are kind of curious what's going on. I've had people messaging me, asking me if everything's okay, if the storm has hit, and all of that stuff. I've also been a little too busy to really reply to a lot of people because I have been... Anyway, that's my quick update and my failure of trying to anchor down the canopies and stuff. At least one is holding, the other one's not. The tarp on the wood, that one is staying put. I guess just because of the way I have it in the cross of the wind is blowing through it. So now I also know that here on the property that when I get my greenhouses and tunnels and stuff, I'm going to need to face them the opposite direction. And so, I mean, at least I'm learning from this too. And I'm learning that I'm going to need a lot stronger structures up here for sure. I think I'm going to get back out there. I still got some stuff I got to get done and try to save. And I think half of it's going to be lost either way. But I thought I would do a quick update, let people know what's going on so people would worry a little bit less. And maybe I'll do another update tomorrow of the aftermath of having to clean everything up. And we'll see how much stuff I've lost. Hopefully I didn't lose too much. The equipment, I think it'll be okay. The electronic stuff, that's going to be gone. Probably the little fridge, the couple power stations I didn't get up, and I had a battery powered trimmer and all that stuff underneath that debris, and I'm just not going to mess with it right now with all the gusts, but it is what it is. Anyway, that'll be it for now, and I'll do an update tomorrow.